Hi, welcome. Today we're going to look at your purchase ledger. So, what is your purchase ledger? Your purchase ledger is a book. It will have a page number representing your folio later on. The book is split into two halves with rows and columns. On the left hand side, you have date, details, folio, and amount. This represents all your debit entries. On the right hand side, date, details, folio, and amount. And this will also represent all of your credit entries. It is also your accounts payable ledger. Your purchases ledger is a subledger. It records personal accounts, it records creditors or accounts payables, and information is transferred from the purchases daybook and purchases return books, which is your return outward books, to your purchases ledger. Your purchases daybook includes information for all your credit purchases. For each individual account is transferred, in this case, Aria's import account, her personal information is transferred March 1st purchases for $3,500 on the credit side. As well as Lester Ali will open a personal account for Lester, and on the credit side representing our liability, March 9 credit purchases in details for $700. However, if we return any of these goods, it will show up in your purchases return daybook as return outwards, and it will be recorded in the personal account. In this case, for Aria's import, on the debit side, reducing the liability. So on March 8th, purchases return for $200. So thank you for joining us. I hope this video helps. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe for more short tips on principles of accounts.